You've seen me build a lot of stores on this channel, stores in 15 seconds, stores in 33 minutes, stores in 8 minutes. Every single one of these sold physical products, mugs, gadgets, dog stuff. But this video flips the whole model. So it's the same online store mechanics, but the products are digital. No shipping ever, no inventory ever. The whole game changes because you don't have any boxes moving around at all. My name is James, and if you've been looking for side hustle ideas that are kind of unique, I think this could be one. So we don't usually talk about with online stores. When people think of online stores, usually they're thinking of physical products. That's usually what I have on my channel. You find suppliers, find their shipping costs, you handle returns, you pray your inventory ships when it's supposed to. But there's a second box of products that you can sell, and these are digital products. And in a lot of ways, these are better and easier because there's instant delivery, no shipping costs, no inventory headaches. Someone buys, they download, you make some money. And you might have even thought before, hey, maybe I should sell a digital product. But then the problem is you have to create the digital product, and that can be a lot of work. Even with AI, that can be a lot of work to know, hey, what product is good? What product would actually sell? But I'm looking at Sellvia today, and the key here is you are selling other people's digital products. So Sellvia has over 1.5 million stores. They processed over $1 billion. I mean, this isn't just some sketchy startup or something like that. But the concept is really simple. Sellvia creates digital products. You sell them through your online store. They handle fulfillment, and you get the profit. So here's a look at some of their digital products that you can sell. And these are not just random PDFs thrown together. They're professionally designed ebooks. They're printable planners for goal setting. They're podcasts. They're digital products that are well put together. So like we have an AI meal planning for fitness ebook, and they sell it to you for $5.49 and it sells for $10. So you make $4.50 in profit for every one that you're able to sell. And they have a huge catalog of different ebooks and things like that you could sell. So there's that part. Now you have a product, a digital product that you can sell. The problem is now how do you get eyes on it? And that's where I really like Sellvia takes it to a new level where they'll actually help you with your ads to get traffic to your store selling this digital product. So first off, they have this marketing tab where we could probably do a whole video on just the different social media and marketing tools that they have for you to get eyes on your product. But what I was really impressed with was their Sellvia Ads platform. And their team will actually create the ads with an AI algorithm that optimizes for, Google, Facebook, Amazon, TikTok, whatever. But again, it's in their best interest for you to perform well, for you to be successful. And so they help you out with that. Again, that's often the hardest part of an online business is getting eyes on your business. And what caught me is this is not just a campaign builder that helps you set up your own ads. This literally, they take care of everything. They automate all of it, and it's really just a toggle. And the AI looks at what's working and shifts budget around. So like if TikTok is selling better than Facebook, they'll allocate budget towards that. So it really takes ads off of your hands. And then when someone buys from your ad or from your store, Sellvia takes care of all of it. So they deliver it, they get the payment, and then they give you your portion of it. So again, I think this is a really interesting side hustle. I will emphasize what I've said before. Hard work brings profit. Mere talk leads only to poverty. So if you've been jumping around between different side hustles and can't commit to one, this is probably not going to work for you either. You have to be committed. You have to actually follow through and take some action if you're going to get closer to your goals. And this is not get rich quick. There's going to be trial and error, figuring out what product and exactly how to present it. But if you put in the effort, honestly, really any of the side hustles on my channel, if you put in the effort, I think you can be successful in them. But if you don't put in the effort, obviously nothing's going to happen. So what I want you to do, I'm going to leave a link for you to try this out for free. So there's no financial investment. Just try it out. And then I want you to pick a digital product. And what I would recommend is pick one that you're passionate about yourself, that you might have a unique take on how it should be sold. If you're really into fitness, maybe that. I saw a marathon training survival. If you're a marathon runner, maybe this would be a good product for you to sell. You might already have an audience that you could sell this to. In fact, I might look through this and see if there's, an ebook or something that my audience would benefit from. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. That's actually a great idea. So then they also have this Sellvia Market where when your store becomes profitable, you can actually list to sell the store itself. So you're not selling just the product, but you can sell the store, the system that you have that's actually making sales. Or maybe you want to jump in and just take one of these, buy one of these that's already making money, already all set up. Or again, build a store, build a really successful product, then you can put yours on here and sell for, 50, 60K. So link down below, check out Sellvia. Let me know in the comments if there's other side hustles that you want me to consider or want me to try out myself. I love trying out side hustles. Appreciate you guys watching. A lot of fun just checking out what is out there. So God bless you guys and have a great rest of your day.